from one of the residences. थोड़ा सा थोड़ा to see on the screen typical electricity of the one of the residences is the available. Hello. वाचता येतं का? The units consumed in this particular bill is 188. Everybody must be having their electricity bill at the home. So today when you go back to your home, you check your electricity bill very carefully. You check 3 points. If you have the notebook and pen, I will tell you something very important. This may not be a syllabus, but this will help you in your professional career. Okay, so I will give you few things which are very important to start with. If you carefully see the electricity bill, there will be one column called as units consumed. So how many units you have consumed per day? Okay, now this particular screen shows 188 units consumed per day. If you look at the bottom, there is one graphical comparison. Which month, how many units are consumed? And as a thumb rule, you can say, in the month of March, April, May and June, the consumption is maximum because all the fans are running all the time. Freeze is running at the full throttle. Okay. Now do one thing. If you have seen the earlier bills, looking for this tariff, I can tell you one thing. Earlier, the tariff was like this. 0 to 100 unit, the tariff was 3.9 rupees per unit. Was the tariff earlier. 100 to 300 unit, tariff was 7.2 rupees per unit. And 300 onwards, the tariff was 11 rupees per unit. Now, all of a sudden, government has changed the policy now. 0 to 100, the tariff is almost say 3.9 or 4.9. You can see that on that particular copy, second page. But second slab, 100 to 300, they are totally abolished. So the very moment you cross 100 units per month, the bill jumps to 1,800. Now, if you see this particular, the first category is 0 to 100 is 4.71 rupees per unit is the tariff. So you have to read your bill very carefully. So 100 to 300 earlier category, they have moved straight to 10.29. Okay, and 300 onwards is almost near 15 rupees. Now if you have noticed for last 2-3 months, most of the bill is doubled. The reason is the amount of money spent on this maintenance of particular old lines and all stuff, they will be recovering only through our electricity running bills. You will be going straight to around 2,000. And if you cross 300, you will be paying almost around 4,000 per month. Okay, this is the beginning because now the government is controlling all this distribution and everything. Maybe within the next 5 years, this will be overtaken by the private players like the Orioles. At that time, you will be paying the double the price of what you pay today. One more thing, like, have the prepaid mobile cards, right? So very soon, the prepaid meters are coming in the market. They will charge you heavy deposit. And if somebody do not pay the bill, you have to physically cut electric connection. But when they go for the prepaid meters, the meter will be cut by the wireless. So no need of going to that particular place. Why I am telling you this? Because very soon, every house will minimum 3,000 rupees per month as an electricity bill, which is a big chunk for the small family, like a middle class family. Now here comes the business opportunity. As Dr. Roque said, solar energy is the eternal energy. We call that as Akshay Urja. I mean, that's Akshay Urja, that is Akshay Urja. Till the time mankind is there on the earth, sunlight will be there because we are today alive only because of sunlight. And how we sense the business opportunity from this because government has given very good schemes for all the residences. So a smallest house can install around 1 kilowatt system on the rooftop and they can go for net zero bill and you get subsidy 30,000 rupees for 1 kilowatt. There are a lot of government incentive schemes. If you install 2 kilowatt, you will be getting subsidy of 30,000 of first kilowatt, 30,000 of second kilowatt, so you will be getting subsidy of 20. But in my opinion, for the Taluka place, 2 kilowatt is enough. And for 2 kilowatt, if you are getting subsidy of say 60,000 rupees, expenditure the market is around 1.6 lakhs for 2 kilowatt. Actual material cost is less than 1 lakh. So this is a good business opportunity because everything is available in the market of Shell. You get the good panels, you get the good inverters, and you can talk to your electrical department. I will pass on all the details, which model you should take for the solar panel, which you should go for the inverter. What are the types of inverters available in the market, on-grid, off-grid, or hybrid inverter, because there is one point in the particular rooftop solar, that is when there is no MSCB, the generation is zero. So all energy is wasted. So there is a regulation for that also. So we touch with the electrical department, we will get all the latest inputs about this. To start business, you don't need capital for this. Only to get educated properly. There are only 3 main components: solar panel, inverter. Fabrication is very minor. But anybody can start this business and you can get it to electrical department anytime. Always open. We can select some good panels for you, we can select some good inverters for you, and whatever is our experience, you can use that. And one more thing I can tell you, because when you are studying, that doesn't mean that you are parallelly. The concept in Europe called learn, you earn also. You can earn at the academic, you can learn also. Because you are fresh, so any knowledge you can adopt like a blotting paper. Only thing is you have to be very focused on a particular aspect. About solar panel, I can tell you one more thing. The solar panel has a minimum 30 years. So unless you don't break that particular glass, won't be any damage for that particular panel. So after 30 years, that will deteriorate 20% each. So you can say, assume same as 40 years as the life of the solar panel. Okay. Any question? Then I can proceed. लाजू नका घाबरू जे मनात तसे विचारून घ्या कारण स्टार्ट द बिझनेस सायमल्टेनियसली तुमच्या घरातलं बिल चेक करा तुमचं बिल जर जास्त असेल फर्स्ट थिंग you can go for the brushless DC fans below 100 units. What is the difference in the brushless DC fan and the regular fan? Brushless DC fan consumes 30% of the regular fan. So instead of one regular fan, you can put 3 fans, and you can come less than 100 category in that. So your bill is less. You will be saving 1,000 per month, and cost of the fan is not more than 3,000 rupees. So replacing BLDC fan, you can recover the cost in 3 months electric bill. Keep that in mind. Second is you go for the 5-star freeze. Wherein anybody who has seen sticker on the freeze, what is the sticker available on the screen? Anybody let the screen sticker? I can have it. Anybody? Hello, hello. Hello. Hello, hello. available है? हेलो यार रेंज बोली इतना ही कोई अरे वाह हेलो 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 आता ऐकू येते का? हेलो आता ऐकू येते व्यवस्थित? ओके आपण परत घेऊ आता. हा जो पहिला जो कॅटेगरी आहे झिरो टॉक्स तुम्हाला वाचता येते का साहेब? आय कॅन टेल यू 100 युनिट्स पर्यंत 4.7 हेलो हेलो ओके फाइन हेलो अच्छा कोणाला काही प्रश्न आहेत का? एनी क्वेश्चन? घरातलं बिल कमी करायला फर्स्ट यू हॅव टू टेक केअर ऑफ द फॅन्स, गो फॉर द प्रॉपर ऑडिट ऑफ द लोन. तुमच्या फ्रीजवर एक स्टिकर असतं, कोणाच्या लक्षात आहे? व्हॉट इज द स्टिकर? लाईक व्हॉट इज रिटन ऑन द स्टिकर? Okay, there is one common concept as 396 units per year. वाचलं? Okay. Any 5-star fridge will either come with 398 units, 396 units, or even 400 units per year. So how you will calculate? Number of units divided by 365 is the consumption per day. Okay, and divided by 24 is the wattage. Continuous consumption of that particular fridge. So one thing is there, you check all bound components, motor mana किंवा तुमचा fridge mana. Okay, so you go for the audit of this load properly, and once you go say 1 kilowatt system installed on any room will generate 4 units per day. लिहून घ्या याच्यात 4 unit per day for 1 kilowatt system. 1 kilowatt system will generate 4 units. Generally 5 units generate होता, but we say we take to the minimum 4 units per day per kilowatt. So if your consumption is about 100 units, around 100 units, 1 kilowatt is the ideal system. The market cost of 1 kilowatt is 80,000 rupees. Actually manufacturing cost is 55,000 rupees. Subsidy you get is around 30,000 rupees. Okay, this is your first best business opportunity. तुमच्या आसपासच्या लोकांची बोला, त्यांचं बिल घ्या. ज्याचं बिल 100च्या पुढे आहे त्यांना सजेस्ट करा VLDC फॅन घ्यायला. And still the government scheme is open for 1 kilowatt on-grid solar system under PM Surya Yojana. मी तुम्हाला स्क्रीन नंतर दाखवतो. Slightly higher side you can go for 2 kilowatt solar system. Any bungalow can go around 3 kilowatt solar system. Okay, most of the famous brands available in solar panels are Waaree number 1, number 2 Premier, number 3 Neosys in EOSYS, and many other panels. But I can tell you one secret in this: solar cells are not manufactured in India. There is only one company called Premier from Hyderabad. They manufacture the solar cells. So they supply solar cells to all manufacturers from India. So if you get Premier solar panels, that is the best choice because they are the manufacturer of the cells also. Next, good quality is Renew, R-E-N-E-W, that is a good quality panel. Next is Waaree, W-A-R-R-E-E. Then comes Neosys, and there are almost 30-40 more brands. But whichever is available near your distributor, near your place, maybe Solapur or Pandharpur, you go for that particular brand because transport costs should not be more. Now coming back to solar inverters, the best brand available today is Growatt, G-R-O-W-W-A-T-T, Growatt. Second is Selec, S-E-L-E-C, the second brand available in the market, which is a very good brand. Next is V-Sol, V-S-O-L. And apart from that, whichever brand is available near your distributor, you have to accept that because all these panels and inverters are government certified. Because for subsidy, you have to go for a PCR approved panel. That is government subsidized panel, government registered. Okay, for the installation, you can, any fabrication, you can go for the local fabricator. We can provide you the design, and the design is very simple to install. And there is one more component needed called as a DC junction box, DCDP. What is a DCDP? DC junction box at the DC side, and one is AC junction box at the AC side. Of course, these inverters will be covering very soon in the next chapter, but as a business opportunity, we can start with this. One more thing I can tell you, you must have seen the solar water heaters used on the bungalows or on the house. But that technology is the technology of 1972. Solar water heater is a solar photothermal application wherein the sunlight is converted to heat and stored in a thermos type container. But nobody has thought about that because as an engineer, what best you can do? Full day you keep that water boiling in that particular tank, right? So put a sensor which says the 70 degrees Celsius, have one more tank, and when that water reaches 70 degrees Celsius, try to fill the second tank. Okay, that is the best application. The same water you can use for cooking or you can use for cleaning that particular house, which becomes a totally disinfected house. But nobody has thought of this. Go for a solar water source, solar water purifier, same water, boiled water you take in the kitchen, and use a preheated water for cooking. That is the best opportunity for business. आपण जो भात लावतो तुम्ही त्याला जर 80 डिग्रीज बॉईल केलेलं पाणीच दिलं तर तुम्हाला भात लवकर होतो. तुम्हाला वर्षाला जे 10 टँक गॅसचे टाके लागतात, यू कॅन ओनली फिनिश इन 4-5 टँक्स. तिथं पण तुम्ही सेव्हिंग करू शकता. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट द रेसिडेंस. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द इंडस्ट्रीज. मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रीज दे गो फॉर बॉयलर्स लाइक. Okay, boilers, what is the basic principle? They heat the water or they heat the oil. Okay, so if you can use a solar water heater which will preheat the boiler feed water, say up to 60, 70, 80 degrees, that is possible. That is the second best business opportunity. And nobody has thought on this till date. कोणी विचार केलेला नाही. But you can think of that. So you can go for a big water heater, heat the water, then feed it to the boiler. So you are from the rural market, you have a lot of sugar factories around. So you can plan that business also. In fact, nobody has really worked on the photothermal application. Sunlight converted into water need not be, आपण काय करतो दिवसभर पाणी उकळतो, सकाळी फक्त अर्धा तास वापरतो आंघोळीला. You go beyond that. store that water in one more tank and see where other things you can use, like go for the best water purifier, go for the best water softener, and त्याच्यातलं पाणी घेऊन you can use for the cooking also. Okay, आता याच्यानंतर आपण स्टार्ट करू, पण कोणाला काही क्वेश्चन्स आहेत का आतापर्यंत? Then we'll start with the generation. Any questions?
Any question from your side? No.
No questions? So should I start with this? Now this is a typical electricity generation slide. Okay. Where this is a plant which you can call as an NTPC plant, National Thermal Power Corporation. You are well aware that there is one NTPC plant in Solapur, 330 megawatt into 2, which is in process for last almost 15 to 20 years. That's a main problem असा होता की you have to get water from Ujli's dam, like, so that work was prolonged. And you know how the engineers really work. The project was delayed, and all of a sudden they decided whatever is the wastewater of the Solapur, they get enriched water, let us purify and use the same. So with the same water they started the plant. That is running. Now the line is being completed from Ujli dam to Solapur. But the main problem here is the coal comes in the train. There is a very big boiler, and the field is coal, which comes almost 10-12 वाघिणीचा coal येतो, मग तो तुमचा plant चालू होतो. And once you start, till the time you have the load demand. And there is one more concept called as whatever power generated in that particular plant, 30% you have to give to that particular state like Maharashtra, 70% you have to export to other states. And you have a very intelligent network for this, which monitors the load demand, how to supply. A lot of SCADA systems are there, which are getting old nowadays. So that's the reason they're trying to upgrade the systems through increasing the tariff also, because they can't take any money in bulk from the customers. So they'll be increasing the tariff very soon, maybe after 3 years the bill will be double. Because they want to upgrade all the setups like SCADA, distribution network and everything. Few years back the cost was 5.5 rupees per unit generation cost. That has again gone up. And that's the reason the solar has very bright future. Because solar is available everywhere. And the funny part is most of the integrated plant, they close the plants in UP and Delhi, and they have installed the solar plants there. Because a lot of complaints were there in the court from the pollution board. And almost 4 plants in UP and Delhi, they are closed down because they are contributing to the pollution in that particular city. Because that increases the global warming. So maybe within next 10 to 20 years, most of the NTPC plants will switch off and they will go to solar generation. And you have got very good job chances there also, because a lot of scope is there for the solar in future. Okay, so this is the generation part. Now this is a distribution part. Okay. And at your home, through transformer, say 11 kVA or 33 kVA, you will get single phase power supply at your home. Okay. Now this traditional method, when government also thought that generation is not affordable, they encourage the on-grid solar systems. They want people to invest from their pocket, generate electricity and feed to the grid. Okay, when you receive that particular electricity at your home, there is one phase, one neutral. So when the circuit is completed, the equipment will start working, but earthing is very critical. I mean, nobody bothers about the earthing, but earthing is very fatal if the earthing is not properly done. Okay, now this is the earthing. तुम्ही आजपर्यंत earthing कसं पाहिलं असेल, एक खड्डा केलाय, एक प्लेट टाकली, कोळसा टाकलाय, earthing झालं. That is not the case nowadays. Nowadays we go for chemical earthing, which we call as a class A chemical earthing. Why earthing is very critical? Because if you see most of the power equipment, the earth terminal is very thick. because the resistance has to be lowest. As we study in the electrical, R equal to rho into L by A. So if we increase the area of the cross section, the resistance path is lowest. That's the reason the earthing pin is always very thick, so that the electricity is directly go. That is not very hazardous to the human body life. We receive single phase or three phase. Three phase is generally above 5 HP or 5 kilowatt. Most of the motors, most of the industries go for 3 HP, 3 kilowatt, 3 HP connection or 3 phase connection, because wherever the load is high, you have to go for 3 phase input. Now here is what we call as a solar system. Okay. Now this is a single solar cell. This is made of silicon. The voltage of the single cell is 0.6 volt. And they come in 3 categories. Category A, category B, category C. So category A is the one which is having 5 watts of power. B is 4 watt and C is 3 watts. So C is bit inferior. Okay, and this is a monocrystallizer. I am giving few more to the lab also, electrical lab. Now these cells are soldered in series of parallel, and you get the required voltage. Now this is the series connection. Right? And once the panel is completed, now this is a complete panel. So I will give you a few tips. What panels are available in the market? You can write down. In 6 volt, panels available are 5 watt. 6 volt, 5 watt panels are readily available in the market. 6 volt, 10 watt is available in the market. After 10 watt, there is no 6 volt panel, but panels are available. 12 volt panels are available. 12 volt minimum is 10 watts. Second is 12 volt 20 watt. Third is 10 volt 40 watt 40. Then 12 volt 60 watt. Then 12 volt 100 watt. Then next is 12 volt 120 watt, and last is 165 watt. 12 volt 165 is the last panel available in 12 volt category. Now for our business, like 1 kilowatt grid tie or 2 kilowatt or 3 kilowatt, the panels available are 500 watt minimum. Voltage is 50 watt. 48 to 50 watt is the voltage for our grid tie. 48 to 50 volts oblique 500 watt. Then next is 550 watt. In between 535 is available. Latest launch is for 740 watt in 50 volt. And recently one panel is launched as 1000 watt, 50 volt, 1000 watt. That is a single panel. And the size of the panel is 2.2 meters by 1.1 meter. Okay. Now, this is electricity production is from the solar photovoltaic panel.